Look at my cat. He's using this little box. Right now, he's using it. And as you can see, it does not go until he is out and off of the little box. It fits him perfectly. And now that he has done his business, let's see what's gonna happen. It goes and it cleans all the litter. It turns around. It takes the litter down. It flips it. So it's gonna go all the way and it's gonna trap all the litter. Okay, now the litter went down. Nice. Now the litter is gonna go back. The ones that's gonna go back is gonna be clean. Like as you can see, it went down the trash. And all the clean litter is gonna go back, pour into the little box. Nice and easy, you don't have to do anything. This little box, this automatic little box, does it all for you while you are at work. It's so convenient, it's really nice. It goes down a little bit and then it straightens up. And here's Leo. He's watching vigorously. Hey, what's going on in here? Nice. Nice, nice. And as you can see, the litter that was like gathered, it's all down here. And when you feel like, hey, you need to change it, you have this tray, you remove this trash bag, this little trash bag that already comes with it. Then you change it, throw it away. Super easy to clean, super easy to manage. It comes with all of these extra bags. So this litter box, this automatic litter box, also has an iPhone app. You download the Tuya app and you can manage it wirelessly as well. I will show you the app. It's really nice, very convenient. You can just like press on it and you set it to start. I love that it automatically goes and cleans. It's perfect. I love it. I hope you like it and thank you for watching. Cheers.